Hi, Sam here, and today I want to show you a super straightforward workflow for turning your long videos into tons of short ready-to-post clips and getting them scheduled out so you actually grow without living in the editor. I'm sitting in the dashboard right now, and I've got a long interview opened up so you can see just how quick this whole process really is. First off, let me be clear. You could totally do bits and pieces of this manually, but chopping it in Premiere, exporting and scheduling is basically a full-time job. This process basically automates the heavy lifting by finding the best moments and turning them into viral-ready clips automatically. Okay, let's open a project where I have this 40-minute episode, which is perfect long-form content for repurposing. In the dashboard, you can either upload a file or connect your YouTube channel directly, and it pulls the whole video in for analysis. The interface is super clean, so you preview the full video and then you just click that magic button, Auto-Edit Viral Clips. Hit that, and honestly, in seconds, Vizard scans the entire video, detects highlights, applause, and engagement peaks to create your clip candidates. It's not random at all, because it looks for energy shifts, face expressions, and keyword moments that historically perform really well as shorts. Now, one thing I absolutely love is that it doesn't just spit out clips and leave you hanging. You can review each clip, trim a little bit if you want, swap the thumbnail, or just approve the ones you like and let the system handle the rest. For creators who are time poor, this ability to quickly select the best 10 clips is massive for snackable content across all platforms. Another huge reason this matters is that consistency absolutely beats one-off virality every single time. If you publish one short a week, you might get lucky. But if you publish several per week, you're telling the algorithm you're active and building momentum. Vizard's auto-schedule feature makes that consistency so much easier to achieve than doing it manually. You simply set your posting frequency for different platforms, and the system spaces them all out automatically for you. You can choose the exact times and even cadence variations, and the AI handles all the complex calendar juggling in the background. Speaking of calendars, the content calendar inside the dashboard is where this whole operation starts feeling truly professional. You get a single view of every single clip, when it's scheduled to post, and exactly where it's going to appear. Want to drag a clip from Tuesday's slot over to Friday? Easy drag and drop functionality makes those quick shifts happen instantly. If you are working with a team, you can assign tasks, leave notes, and make edits without pinging someone on Slack 50 times. Now let's be real. Some creators already use other tools for things like title creation or translations, and that's totally fine to mix and match. For example, certain browser extensions have handy tools built into the Creator Studio that can translate metadata directly, which is useful for localization in place. But here's where this system complements, or even outperforms, that setup for repurposing at scale. While other translation options are great for metadata, they don't create the clips, they don't bulk schedule across platforms, and they aren't built for clipping at scale. So if your main goal is turning long-form content into an ongoing stream of short posts, this covers the creative and operational sides in a way a single extension simply cannot. A couple of things I learned the hard way. When you auto-translate titles, you can easily run into character limits, especially with languages that expand longer than English. Machine translation can push you over the limit, and the platform blocks the publish button until you trim the text down, causing publishing headaches. This platform avoids a lot of those firefighting moments by letting you handle the clip captions and short descriptions before scheduling is finalized. With some other scheduling services, the pricing is either expensive per post or the platform limits are just incredibly clunky. Our approach gives you a true content pipeline, clip creation, scheduling, and calendar management all in one unified place. That means lower friction, fewer browser tabs open, and a much better operational overview for your channel. Once clips start going out, you can easily see which formats and moments are resonating and feed that data right back into the next round of clips. Let me show you the final stage. Once you're happy with the selection, you can either publish immediately or toggle to queue and let AutoSchedule handle the spread. The system also supports platform-specific sizing and aspect ratio tweaks, so one clip is optimized for Reels versus Shorts without any extra exports from me. That efficiency and platform-specific tuning is the real secret sauce that saves you incredible amounts of time every week. And of course, captions are non-negotiable these days, which this tool generates automatically from the source video, ready for editing. These captions make your clips accessible, and they perform much better because so many people watch content on mute initially. After running a consistent clip pipeline for a few weeks, I saw more international clicks and a definite uptick in subscribers coming from short-form content. The reason is simple. One long video can now become a dozen discoverable moments across the internet, which is massive surface area. 3 practical tips. Keep clips between 15 and 45 seconds, always lead with a hook in the first 3 seconds, and rotate your thumbnails and copy per platform. Vizard tends to pick those natural hooks for you, but you can always go in and edit them to be even snappier if you feel the need. Don't be afraid to test different posting cadences. As you learn what clicks, you can ramp up frequency without doubling your actual workload thanks to auto-scheduling. One last honest thing about tools. None of them are magic, and you will have hiccups with character limits or clips that just don't land perfectly. Tools like specialized SEO apps are great for specific tasks, but this platform is built around the core workflow of repurposing and distribution. If you want to spend less time editing and way more time actually creating, this slots in to automate the grind that usually kills consistency. So yeah, that's the quick walkthrough. Long video in, Vizard picks the best parts, you do a light pass, set your schedule, and clips publish automatically. Use other tools for any on-platform metadata tweaks if you need them, but let this handle the heavy lifting of surfacing viral moments. Try this workflow with one of your long videos and watch how much content you suddenly have without a huge time investment. It's a small shift in your process that leads to consistently big returns across all your channels. Hope that was useful. Go make content, automate the boring parts, and let the algorithm do the rest for you.